Y'all asked me for a close-up. Is this close enough? Okay, I hope it is. But anyway, before we get started and jumping into the video, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Make sure that you hit the bell so that you'll get a notification when I post another video. Okay, so let's get started. If you have not seen or you do not know how to do the stitching, straight stitch, zigzag stitch, I'm gonna put a link down below in the description box so that you can go ahead and check it out. Make sure that you look at the video entirely so that you don't miss any tips, tricks, or gems that I be dropping in there. But we are going to go ahead and stitch the last track connected to whether it be your frontal unit or your closure unit. So just make sure that you watch this little bitty 7-minute video all the way to the end so you pick up all the tips, tricks, and gems that I be dropping in. All right, let's get started. Okay, y'all, this next step is real important, and I'm telling you beforehand because I'm nervous. Okay, but what you need to do when you sliding this wig in there is you need to make sure that there is nothing overlapping. Your lace should not be underneath this wig cap or nothing. The only thing that should be connecting is the wig cap and the tracks that you just laid. But it's okay because where there is a mistake, there is room for correction and room to grow. So just keep watching the video. If you would like to see the correction of the mistake, just put it down in the comments below and be like, girl, we want to see what you're doing, because y'all done already told me y'all want it close. And sweetheart, I want to know, is this close enough? Like, how close y'all want to get with me? Like, what do y'all want to see? How close is you talking about, sis? Okay, but this right here for the people in the back, because I really need you to see what's going on here. I'm going to slow it down for you so you see what's going on, and I'm going to slow it down when we get to adding the last track to the top of the frontal or the edge of the frontal ribbon. That's what it's called. But I'm zooming in and slowing down so you see where the needle is piercing through the track. And I'm staying on my guide. You do not want to stretch your unit, mush it together. You don't want to do none of that. All you want to do is make sure that your track is placed over your pre-drawn guide. And this is where I said but listen, it's okay. It's small things to a giant. Everything takes time and patience to learn. If you would like to see how I remove that with the seam ripper, put that down in the comment bar down below. Do I want to do that again for y'all? No. But if you are having this problem, I am more than happy and more than willing to assist you with that. So let's go ahead and move forward. This is the last track, okay? You want to make sure you slide the wig in there carefully, okay? Make sure ain't no lace, ain't no cap, ain't no nothing overlapping. The only thing that should be underneath your presser foot is your lace frontal, the edge of the ribbon. Look down there. And the cap. That's it for right now. And then obviously when you add in the track over your guideline, yes. But make sure ain't nothing else up underneath there. Ain't nothing overlapping, okay? Okay, girls, start your stitching. And again, if you don't know how to stitch forward, backward, zigzag, and straight, I'm going to link the link in the description box down below. Make sure you watch the whole entire video, okay? Okay, so the last stitch we're going to use for adding the track to the frontal is a zigzag stitch. Y'all know when y'all make a cake, y'all not finna eat just the butter, just the sugar, just the flour, the milk, or the eggs separate. You're going to mesh the cake together. You're going to mix it with the whisker. So this is basically what we're doing. We is whisking the cake together. And we are finishing up the unit by using the zigzag stitch. So literally all you do once you change your settings over, you are going to learn how to do that with the link in the description box. If you watch the entire video and subscribe to the channel and do all that other stuff, yes, but you're literally just going to follow the guide like you have been doing this entire time on your straight stitch, just with the zigzag stitching. And y'all, I don't care how much time it takes, but if you ask me for some help or if you need something and it's something that I can help you with, I am on the way. So all you got to do is leave a comment down below and I will answer it. You can see that on my comments where I speak to my subscribers. I really do appreciate y'all and I would like to help you as best as I can because I did not have all of these, how do you say, avenues for learning when it was just me, or 10 years ago when I had first started, or even just 5 years ago when I started doing wigs. So I would like to just say that I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers, my followers, and stuff like that. I would love to assist you. But if y'all want to see other stuff, you know, just let me know, because that's what I'm gonna put on the channel, because I know that y'all love me. Or you about to, because baby, to know me is to love. If you would like to see something specifically for what I do outside of work, then just let me know, girl. You gotta say that, because I don't be knowing. If you gotta ask me a question, or if you need help, you can do that too. Like, closed mouths don't get fed around here, sweetheart. God said, ask and you shall receive. Now, you ain't receiving every damn thing with me. You gonna get that from God. But if I can, I'm gonna help you out a little bit. So yeah. Y'all said y'all wanted up close and personal. Girl, how up close and personal is we getting? Like, is we laying on top of each other, or literally right next to each other? You tell me. If you like the way that I did this in the video, let me know down below in the comments bar. And don't forget to share my channel, because girl, if you love it, then your friends gonna love it too. Don't forget about me, boo. Okay, now I really want to color the front of this unit, the frontal part of it. And I am going to do that. So if you have any color suggestions, please drop them down in the comments box down below. I am going to upload another video on the color of this unit, so make sure that you stay tuned and put your input down in the comments bar down below. Tell me how you like this video, all that good. Go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, you kiss the notification bell, and that you share with your friends, because your friends is my friends. It's like that for us.